of the seized autonomous kingdom of Igbanke into the proposed Anioma state, which was erroneously bounded in Edo State. At it where we from Igbanke don't understand Bini, we don't speak Bini, we don't speak Isha, we don't speak Igara, we don't speak Asaba, we speak Ika. When we visit Benin, the state headquarters, they refer to us as Owika. Even when we want to access the local government headquarters, which is Abuja in Orion local government, we have to navigate through another local government, who was the local government, or through Delta states. Even to get local government of origin, we must pass through stress because they put question across to us using the Benin language. And when we are unable to answer, they deny us this privilege, they deny us this right. We cannot be in a state where we are marginalized, we cannot be in a state where we don't have political representation, we cannot be in a state where we don't have social amenities. We pray with all sense of humility that Igbanke people should be included into the proposed Anioma state. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what our brothers from Ibanka said. They said that during the public hearing in Bayelsa State that was organized by the House of Representatives, that public hearing was done on the 19th of July 2025. The public hearing organized by the House of Representatives was also held in Enugu State. So our Igbanke brothers represented in Bayelsa State and also in Enugu State. Now, our Igbanke brothers said that they want to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. Igbanke people are the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. They want to join Anioma State in order to coexist with their Ika brothers, with their Igbo brothers. Igbanke people were added to Edo State by a man called Ogbemudia. The father of Ogbemudia is a Bini man, but his mother is an Igbanke woman. So that Ogbemudia wants his mother's village to be in the same state with his father's village. That was why he added Igbanke people in Edo State. This thing don't not be now will happen. And that thing that Ogbemudia did cost Igbanke people so much. The problem that Igbanke people have been facing in Edo State, the marginalization, everything that they have been facing in that Edo State, is as a result of what that man called Ogbemudia did by adding them to that Edo State. Igbanke people said that they don't understand Bini language, Esan language, Igala language, Esako language, and so on. They only speak Igbo language. The only language that Igbanke people speak in their community is Ika, which is a dialect of Igbo language. Igbanke people are Igbo people in origin. The name of their ancestors are Igbo names. Their culture and tradition is Igbo. Their food is Igbo. Their dancing is Igbo. Their dressing is Igbo. Everything about Igbanke people from A to Z is Igbo. They are being marginalized in Edo State because they are a minority. Igbanke people are located in Orion 1 local government. And in that local government, the majority people there are Bini people. So Igbanke people are a minority there. There are other Ika speaking communities there, but all those Ika communities all together are a minority. And that was why Bini people are treating them badly. That is why Igbanke people want to join their Ika brothers in Anioma State, to coexist and have a voice, to identify with their kind, to identify with people that speak the same language, culture, and tradition with them. Our Igbanke brother said that Bini people refer to them as Owika. Bini people also refer to them as Owibo. Owika means Ika person. Owibo means Igbo person. Benin people see them as non-Benis. They see them as, these people are not one of us. These people are separate people from us. That was why Benin people refer to them as Owika, Owibo. Everyone knows their kind. A Benin speaking community are Benin people. An Igbo speaking community, no matter the dialect, are Igbo people. These Benin people know that Igbanke people are not part of them. They know it, that these people are separate people from them. And that was why they were able to be marginalizing Igbanke people. Igbanke people pay their own teachers. They build their own roads. They don't have lights. No social amenities. No infrastructure. No tarred road. Nothing. Igbanke road don't spoil finish. Nothing is going on in Igbanke community. And that is because of the marginalization that they are passing through in Edo State. Our brothers from Igbanke said that if they want to enter Orion or local governments, they have to pass through other Edo State local governments and also pass through other Ika communities in Delta State before they get to their local governments. If Igbanke people want to enter their local government headquarters, they go past Delta States before they go access their local government. If they want to follow another road, go down their local government, they go pass other local governments where they that Edo State before they go reach that their local government headquarters. This is enough reason for you to know that these people are not meant to be in Edo State. In life, if you want to take any decision, make sure you weigh the advantages and disadvantages of that decision. Now, that Ogbemudia did not think about the disadvantages of his actions. If to say Ogbemudia get sense, you go know say to carry in mama community, we say mama people not they speak Bini language, carry them out for that Edo State. In sense for make them know say these people will be marginalized. If to say in the person where they read history, you go know say Bini and Igbanke are separate people. But because of his selfishness, he carry mama people put for sufferness where they did so. This is the reason why there are so many problems everywhere in the world. People make decisions without checking the advantages and disadvantages of the action that they are about to take. I want to enter my local government, I go first pass another state before I go enter my local government. Is that not rubbish? It's rubbish. It don't make sense. Our Igbanke brother said that for them to get local government of origin, they pass through stress. Bini people put questions across to them through Bini language. And when they are unable to answer, Bini people deny them the right to have local government of origin. This is a fact. This is what Igbanke people are passing through in that Edo State. If Igbanke people wants to get local government certificate, Ile Ibinu people will deny them from having that local government certificate because they are not one people. And for that, Bini people wants to turn Igbanke people to Bini people by all means. If Igbanke people wants to get that local government state of origin, Bini people will tell them, what kind of name are all these? Chukuma, Chukwuka. You have to change your name to Bini name before you will be given this certificate. And that was why Igbanke people started adopting Bini names just to get that certificate. That is how so many Igbanke people started bearing names like Irabo, Chukwuka, Idahosa, Emeka, Osakpolo, Chukwode. That was how they got all those Ile Binu names. This is the marginalization that we are talking about. Bini people are trying to erase the identity of Igbanke people. They want to forcefully turn Igbanke people to Bini speaking people. The Oba of Bini built a school in Igbanke during the past. The reason why he built that school was to be teaching Igbanke children Bini language. The Oba of Bini employed Bini teachers to be teaching Igbanke people Bini language. If you go to the school, All the teachers wey dey there, both headmaster, headmistress, all of them are Bini people, and they were using Bini language to communicate. Everything is being done with Bini language just to make sure that these children start to dey speak this language they grow up, so that in the nearest future their Igbo language go into extinction. Then they will start to dey speak Bini language. But Ibanka people resisted it. They stopped going to that school, and now how that school take collapse. This is to tell you that the agenda of Bini people and their Oba against Ibanka people not start today. It don't take. And that is why Ibanka people are saying no, that enough is enough, that they want to join their Eka brothers, their Igbo brothers in Anioma state. Our brothers from Ibanka said that they can't be in a state where they are being marginalized. They can't be in a state where there is no political representation and no social amenities. I so much love these Igbanke people. They have taken the bull by the horn. If you go to Igbanke today, there are no social amenities. Igbanke people not the get light. Light first, they don't have light. They don't have good roads. They don't have good schools. Nothing is working in Igbanke. When they say social amenities, there is no social amenities in Igbanke land. When it comes to politics, Igbanke people are not well represented in politics. In that Orion local government, now Bini people be chairman. All the political offices in that local government, Bini people occupy everything. Igbanke community is bigger than all those Bini communities. Igbanke community get person past all those Bini communities. Yet, Igbanke people are not occupying any political position in that their local government. So many wealthy Igbanke people, they don't build and invest in Igbanke because development not they enter that place. And that is why so many Igbanke wealthy people are building in Abo. Go to other Ika speaking communities in Delta State. Igbanke people are there building and investing. If you go to Benin City, Igbanke people are there building and investing. They not fit go back to their place, build and invest, because development not there. The marginalization is too much. They marginalize you to the extent where they say your own place not they switch you to invest again, is to know that these people are really suffering in that Edo state. Igbanke people don't speak Bini language. They don't have Bini culture and tradition. Their kings are not of Bini origin. Everything about Igbanke people is Igbo. And that is why they are expected to join Anioma state creation through boundary adjustment. That was why they went to that public hearing organized by the Federal House of Representatives to tell the world that they want to join Anioma state to coexist with their brothers, to escape marginalization. This is what we need. The era of information, the era of agitation, the era of revolution. Revolt against your enemies and get your freedom. We want the House of Senate to bring back Igbanke people from Edo State and make sure that they are being added to Anioma State for them to coexist with their brothers, to escape marginalization. We are also asking the House of Representatives to honor the request of Igbanke people for them to join Anioma State and coexist with their brothers. May Chuku bless Igbanke people. May Chuku bless the entire Igbo race. And may Chuku bless the Igbo unification movement for supporting Igbanke people and also supporting Senator Ned Nwoko for Anioma State to be actualized. Anioma State is going to be zoned to the southeast. That has been the request of Anioma people in the public hearing organized by the House of Senate and the public hearing organized by the House of Representatives. Anioma State is a go. Igbo Bofu. Ishiagwale.